guys, I forgot to mention this video is sponsored by Bed Bath & Beyond. Thank you Bed Bath & Beyond so much for working with me on this video and making my college move-in dorm shopping experience, all of it, amazing, super fun, very enjoyable, and so much easier because I would have been a complete mess and in shambles without them. Without further ado, let's get into the shopping experience and haul. Hi guys, we are currently at Bed Bath & Beyond and we're going to go college dorm shopping. This is the first time we started this entire college process because, to be honest, you're just gonna this is the first time we thought about it, and we're very new to this because my brother didn't go like college shopping or anything, so we don't really know what we're searching for. But luckily Bed Bath & Beyond makes it really easy. They have a lot of good basics and affordable goods for college. I'm also going to college in California, so yeah, we're gonna go head in and shop and get some goodies. I have to wear a mask, but my mask is cute and actually matches my fit. Okay guys, we're going in. She prepared.
They had this thing on the news.
Yeah.
People getting this thing called acne from your mask.
I'm getting that. It's just my cheeks are bumpy and they never get bumpy. It's because I have to wear it for work.
Oh yeah. Well,
it's so sunny. Ready, Mom? Woo. Here we are. Woo. That was quite an experience.
I like that laugh.
I've secured the bags. We just did a lot of damage, but it was good, right, Mom?
It was fun.
Yeah, it was actually really fun, and it didn't take that long.
Next time you get to do stuff like this is when you get
Look at everything.
And they were very nice.
Look at all of them.
Whoa, don't let it in. I'm so scared. Oh, how do I turn it on?
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm sweating a little bit. I'm sweating. It actually fits pretty well back there. Keep in mind, that's just what I got today, and I still have to pack stuff that I have from home. Not really sure how that's gonna work. Okay guys, so I just got home. I'm chilling on my couch. So I'm going to be showing you guys everything that I picked up today. My mom and I went into Bed Bath & Beyond to shop around for some college dorm stuff. I honestly had no idea what I was getting into. Bed Bath & Beyond made it super easy because they have a bunch of college prep stuff. It makes it really easy to shop for new students. They have this section called Better Basics, which is basically all of the Bed Bath & Beyond basic stuff. Yeah, that's a lot of B's. Very affordable price, and it makes it very simple and easy to shop, so that's what I got a lot of my stuff from. Also have a ton of options of fashionable and more stylish products if you want to do a little more, you know, like sprucing up with your dorm, if you want to be really fancy and stuff like that. So far what I got were pretty much the basics because I just wanted to start with simple stuff and then I'll probably like build off of there. They also have a huge range of super high quality items for very affordable prices as well, which is amazing because, you know, you're a college student, you're on a budget. I also wanted to mention really quickly a very helpful tool that I found when I was like browsing the website and stuff is that they have a student like favorite section where it just shows a bunch of goods that a lot of past students would recommend and that they use, and I found that very, very helpful because I had no clue where to start. Other than that, I'm going to show you guys all the things I picked up today. Going in no particular order, I'm going to start off with some of the smaller things that I carried out in these bags. For starters, I got these two closet organization racks. I know my closet space is going to be significantly reduced once I move into my dorm, especially compared to what I am used to because I have a lot of clothes. We all know that. So I got these two items. This one is to hang up like folded clothing pieces, so it's a little bit bigger, and I thought it was very cool because it also has like pockets on the sides, which will be very helpful because I can put like accessories or something in it. And then this one is like the same thing basically but a little skinnier, and I'm gonna be putting all my shoes in here, which I think is good instead of having like a rack out in the open because I want my dorm room to be as spacious as possible. Another thing I picked up is a laundry hamper, and it's also compactable and you can carry it like a bag, which I thought was very practical because I'm going to be doing laundry a lot probably. I got this mattress protector or something, I don't know. There's a bunch of like bedding stuff you had to get that I didn't even know was a thing. That's why they're Better Basics and their website makes it very easy to shop, and my mom also helped me a lot. I mean, like I kind of knew, but like if I had to go buy that on my own, I would have been somewhere else. This one is to protect from like
bed bugs and stuff, which
other thing for my bed, I got, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to keep on standing. I got this, which is a mattress pad, which will make my bed comfier because dorm beds aren't the best for your back and stuff. So this is the Wamsutta. I don't know how to pronounce stuff. This is a very nice high quality brand, and they had a lot of options in the store for this, so I just picked this up. I also got a pack of sheets. So this has the fitted sheet, the regular sheet, and then also like pillowcases and stuff, and this is the Salt brand. All my bedding stuff is all white just because you can see by my own room. Everything in my room is white. My bedding is always white, and at first I was like,
maybe I should branch out,
get some fun like bedding or something like that, but clearly I decided against that. I got plain white bedding, which I think is fine because I'll keep it pretty simple and then I'll decorate here and there. That's what I'm planning on at least. I also got a Therapedic like memory foam pillow because I tested this out in the store. It was so soft. I'm a very sensitive sleeper, so hopefully this will help me sleep like a baby. It also has
so rude.
Russell, please. It also has like a cool technology system. You guys didn't know, I'm gonna be going to school in California. I am from Washington. I'm not used to the heat, so I got as many like cooling technology bedding items as I could because I'm trying to like mentally prepare. I believe these are the last two bedding things I got. So along with that cooling pillow, I also got this cooling bed pad, which I think you put along with the other bed pad, but it's supposed to help keep you cool. I don't really know how it works, but I'm very excited. It had good reviews, so hopefully this will help me. I will be needing it. And then this right here is just my comforter. This is just a plain white comforter, which is exactly what I was looking for. I also forgot to show you guys some other things. These are just towels, something I didn't really think about. I got a set of yellow ones just because I think yellow is kind of fun, so I got like the hand towel, face towel, and then bath towel, and then I also got this navy one. I think they look kind of cute together. Oh, what else did I get? Ooh, this one's pretty fun. Can't really see it here, but you can see the picture, and this is just a bath storage cart, but I'm just gonna put it like as a bedside table or something, and then I'll probably put a bunch of like random stuff in it. I'm not really sure yet. I think I've seen people use these in their dorm tours. This is also the Salt brand, which I am quite a fan of. Again, it's white. It's on wheels too, which I think is very practical. I'm gonna have to build this though for a future Melanie. I don't have the brain capacity for that at the moment. Believe it or not, we are almost actually done. I also got this plain white garbage can. It's one of the ones with the little, you step on it and you know it opens. Very, very fun. Then I got a Brita because in college, you know, I mean, wherever you are, you want to stay hydrated.
Ow.
But this is just like the water purifier thing to like clean tap water. Not looking forward to it. I heard California water is not that great, especially compared to Washington water, but you know, that's another problem for future Melanie. I also got this extension cord pack because we know I'm gonna be plugging in a lot of stuff and there's not that many outlets. So this will definitely come in handy. I also got these 3 bins. These are like large bins. I also have a bunch of small ones just for my room that I'm probably gonna bring. I figured I would use these for like clothes and just storage either under my bed or in my closet. I'm not really sure yet. We'll have to see once we get there, but I know for sure these will come in handy. And I only have one more thing left. The very last item for this haul is the tower fan. It's just a huge fan because, as I already mentioned, California hot. I'm not used to it. We also don't have AC, so this is gonna be my best friend. This will definitely come in handy. It is a necessity, especially if you're going to a school with a hotter climate or a climate hotter than you are used to. So looking forward to testing this guy out. Other than that, all right guys, that was it for my, it wasn't little at all, my haul from Bed Bath & Beyond. Once again, I just want to say thank you so much to Bed Bath & Beyond for sponsoring this video and helping me out with this college dorm process because I would have been lost. So huge thank you. They made the shopping experience not only super easy but also quite fun and enjoyable. Huge thank you to them. I totally recommend going and shopping their items. They have everything ranging from the super basics to the fashionable to the high end. They will definitely be happy to help you with your college move-in experience as well. You can check out Bed Bath & Beyond and their college dorm shopping experience using my code. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to stick with me on my channel and on my Instagram if you want to follow along on my college experience. I'm going to be filming everything from hopefully moving in and everything that goes on in college. So make sure to stay tuned and let me know what kind of school/college videos you want to see. I will be uploading every Friday at 11 a.m. and I also post occasionally on Mondays at 11 a.m. as well. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much and I hope you're having an amazing day, week, month, life. Love you. Bye.
I know it's getting